What's up, family? Sis went vegan here, and I'm back with another tasty video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make these delicious nachos. I am so excited to show you guys this recipe because this cheese is not store-bought. So if you want to know how I made it, stay tuned. First, we're going to start off by cutting up our vegetables. I'm using a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, a purple onion, jalapeños, and tomatoes. Now, of course, you can use whatever kind of vegetables that you like in your nachos. That's completely up to you. Now, the vegetables I'm cutting up are going to be used for multiple things. Some of them will go inside of the meat when I cook it. Some will go inside of the nacho cheese sauce, and then the rest will be used for garnish on top of the nachos. How much you use inside of each is completely up to you. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add our oil to the pan. Here you see me using grapeseed oil. So we're just going to saute our red and green bell peppers, our purple onions, and then I'm using the Morningstar Farms Veggie Grillers crumbles. Now y'all, I was so nervous to use this because it was my first time, and the kind I used the first time, I honestly did not like the flavor of it, but this turned out amazing. So we're just going to saute these until it's cooked through. Now for the cheese sauce, I'm actually using cauliflower as the creamy base. So we're just going to boil 12 ounces of cauliflower until they get fork tender. Now y'all might think I'm crazy using cauliflower for the base, but cauliflower has such a neutral flavor that no matter what seasoning you add, it just takes on that flavor. To your blender, you're going to add the cauliflower, taco seasoning, nutritional yeast, chao cheese, bell peppers, a little bit of water, some turmeric, a dash of salt, some salsa, lemon juice, and jalapeno peppers. Then you're just going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Now I know what y'all might be thinking. There is no way this could taste like regular nacho cheese, but I'm here to let you guys know that it does, and it's delicious. The use of cauliflower in this recipe is perfect for children or adults who don't like to eat their vegetables. If you like this recipe, go ahead and like the video. Drop a comment, let me know what would you use this cheese on. If you make this or any of my other recipes, take a picture of it and tag me in it on Instagram and Twitter at @siswentvegan. Go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the family. Hit the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week.